A new look on mt5, though me I noticed it yesterday because I did some update on it. Okay, and I think I'm beginning to like it. Wow. If you look at my screen here, you can see me having two different charts. Normally you can do this before now, even before the updates. Okay, now but if you look at here, you see you can now directly buy or sell from your screen. Okay, all you need is just tap it and you set your input prices, and then you hit it. Then you have your buy stop or sell stop order. This is how it looks like now. All you needed to do is to click on it, and then it changes. Wow, that's quite good. So for those of you who don't actually know how to put the two screens, I can still add another window here. Okay, but sorry, that should be on my laptop, not here. So let me remove one and re-add it. Okay, this is it, and I have one on my screen. Also, for me to add one, just tap here, then you click here. Okay, that's it. Click new window. Okay, see, it's adding another window here. It's loading. So here we'll have it differently. And let me show you another update we did here. If you watch here, this place they are writing the currency. You just tap it will bring down a drop down of what you have as your currency, so you can easily switch. Okay, and you can actually use this for a top down analysis. Very wonderful. Okay, let me go to here 5 minutes and go see the time frame, tap it, and then wow, that's wonderful. Okay, actually I'll be coming back to this more analysis here and go